Hello everyone and welcome to SolidWorks tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a cylinder. To make a cylinder, we could follow two different approaches. One is using the extrude boss base feature and the other one is revolve base boss base. Both of them we have discussed in our previous video. So let's start it. First of all, select the front plane, go to sketch and from top left corner go to the sketch tab here. Now take a circle. Okay, go to the top plane, not the front plane. Select the top plane and go to sketch. Select a circle. Just click here. Just click here and extend it like this. Right click. Now to give it a dimension. Click on Smart Dimension on the top left corner. Click Smart Dimension. Click here. See, a menu pops up. Right click here and type the dimension, whichever dimension you want. Let's say 50 mm diameter. Hit enter. Okay. Now just go to the features tab. See, our sketch is ready. 2D sketch. Mm, Hit normal to. Go to the features tab and click the extrude boss base feature. See, our sketch is already converted to a cylinder. Now to decide the height of our cylinder, you could either change it from here, see, just like this, either direction you want, or more accurately, you can change it from here, from the left corner. Click here and type the dimension. Let's say I want my cylinder height to be 100 mm. So I will type 100 mm and hit enter. See, now you could go either direction. Let's say I want to be my cylinder in the downward direction as well. So what I would do is just check the direction 2 option from the left corner. See, now our cylindrical sketch is going to extend in downward direction as well. So let's say I want to give a dimension of 50 mm downward. So I would type 50 in the direction 2 tab and hit enter. See, but for time being I'm not going to the direction 2 option, so I would just uncheck it. Yeah, that's fine. Hit enter. See, hit space and from here select isometric view. Yeah, just like that. Now this one is our first approach for making a 3D cylinder. The second approach is by using the revolve boss base command. How to do it? Let's do it. So for that, select a plane, let's say front plane, and sketch. We'll click on front plane, go normal to, just like that, and from here select a line. Click here, just like that. Yeah, hit escape. Just like that. Now our sketch is ready. mm, give it smart, give it dimension, let's say 25, and a height of 100. Hit enter. Go to the features tab and revolve boss base command. 360. Axis of revolution, select this line. See? So what happened here, if I could show you, see? So what we have done here is redraw this thing and this thing and select this line as our axis of revolution and just revolve this part around this axis. How much degree? 360 degree. Let's say let's type 180 degree. What happens is, see, so this thing revolves along our axis of revolution just 180 degrees. So we get this shape, a D kind of shape. But we want a cylinder, so we would go all the way 360 degrees. Type 360 degrees and hit enter. See, so as you could see, both the cylinders are exactly the same, but the approach is different. Now let's give some appearance to our cylinders. So select a part, go to appearance tab in the right corner, click here and select whatever you want, metal, plastic, it's up to you. I would select bronze, let's say. See, for this one, go to appearance, let's say paint it. Yeah, see, so that's it from today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.